Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Vanessa Doofenshmirtz from Phineas and Ferb. I've been binge watching their new season. So fun. Anyways, it's super simple. You only need 6 stuff. You do need some from VIP, but you can do your own stuff. I don't know. Select this color 5D4335 and color your hair with that. And also, I'm going to use this one as well in that same color. Then I am going to get these leggings in black in type 3. Her outfit's all black, so it's super simple. Then I'm going to use this. If you don't have these boots, you can use where's the ballet socks? This one in classic socks, and then you can add like boots to it in black like that. If you don't have, well, maybe the boots like here. If you don't have those boots from the Robux set, I'm just going to put this on first. Then I'm going to get this coat, color it all black as well. And then I'm also going to get this in the second toggle in all black. And that is pretty much it. That is your Vanessa Doofenshmirtz on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!